Hello students, welcome again to your EVS class. Students, today I will start a new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Animals Around Us. Okay, what is the name of this chapter? Animals Around Us. Okay, we see many kinds of animals around us. Yes, we can see many kinds of animals around us. Animals live everywhere, on the land, in water, in the air. Okay, animals are of different shapes and size. Yes, animals are of different shapes and size. Okay, some animals are big, some are small. So let us learn about these animals. First, domestic animals. Some animals live in or near our house. We keep them in our homes or in farms. They are called domestic animals. Okay, domestic animals are very useful to us. So students, we can see many kinds of animals around us. Okay, and animals live on the land, in water, and in the air also. Animals are of different shapes and size. Okay, some are big, some are small. First, domestic animals. Now some animals live in or near our house. Okay, some animals that live in or near our house, we keep them in our homes or in farms. Okay, they are called the domestic animals, and domestic animals are very useful to us. Okay, look at the examples of the domestic animals. These are many different pictures of the animals. They are all the domestic animals. Okay, cow, buffalo, camel, horse, goat, sheep. Okay, they are the domestic animals. Clear? Next, wild animals. Some animals live in jungles. Okay, we cannot keep them in our houses. They are called the wild animals. We can see wild animals in the zoo. Okay, so some animals that lives in jungles. Okay, they are called the wild animals, and because we cannot keep them in our houses, that's why they live in the jungles. And we can see the wild animals in a zoo also. Okay, in a zoo we can see many different kinds of wild animals. These are the examples of the wild animals: lion, zebra, tiger. Okay, there are many wild animals. Clear? Next, birds. Birds have wings. They do not have teeth. They have a beak. Most birds can fly, but there are some birds that cannot fly. Okay, so birds have wings. You all know that birds have wings to fly. They do not have teeth. Okay, birds do not have any teeth. They have a beak. Okay, and with the help of the beak, they eat food. Okay, most birds can fly. Yes, most of the birds can fly, but there are some birds that cannot fly. Okay, look at the pictures of the birds. There are many birds: parrot, crow, peacock. Peacock is a national bird of India. Okay, kingfisher, ostrich. Look at the bird, ostrich. This bird cannot fly, but they can. It can run very fast. Okay, ostrich. Okay, it's very big. So and the ostrich cannot fly. Okay, but it can run very fast. Ostrich. This bird also, penguin. Okay, this bird cannot fly, but it's run very fast, like the ostrich. Okay, don't not like the ostrich, but can also run very fast. So there are many birds. Look at the pictures of the birds: parrot, crow. Okay, many birds. Next, insects. Insects are small living beings. Okay, insects are small living beings. Some insects have wings with which they fly in the air. Okay, all insects have 6 legs. Look at the insects. Most of the insects have 6 legs. Okay, so insects are small living beings. Some insects have wings with which they fly in the air. All insects have 6 legs. Okay, most of the insects have 6 legs. Look at the example of the insects with pictures: mosquito, housefly. Okay, there are many insects. Next, water animals. Many animals live in water. They are called the water animals or the aquatic animals. Okay, animals that live in water, they are called the water animals. These animals can swim in water with the help of fins or arms. Okay, these are the example of the water animals: fish, starfish, octopus, seahorse. Okay, some animals live both on land and in water. Okay, some animals live both on land and in water also, like the frog, hippopotamus. Okay, many snakes. Clear? Next, animals are useful. Yes, animals are useful. Some animals give us milk. It is used for making butter, curd, cheese, ghee, etc. So we get milk from cow, goat, buffalo, okay, camel, and some animals give us milk. It is used for, and the milk is used for making butter, curd, cheese, ghee, okay, etc. We also get eggs and meat from the animals. Yes, we get eggs and the meat from the animals. Some animals help us to carry our loads. Yes, some animals that help us to carry our loads. We get wool from sheep. Yes, in the winter season we wear the woolen clothes, but the wool, the woolen clothes are made up of the wool, and we get the wool from sheep. Okay, wool is used to make woolen clothes. Look at this. Donkey, they donkey help us to carry our load. Okay, clear? So students, your homework is you will read this chapter properly. Okay, in my next video I will start the exercise of this chapter, but now your homework is you will read this chapter properly, chapter 17. So that's it for today's class. Thank you.